Today, let this message from your angel resonate deeply within your heart. An atmosphere of reconciliation is gradually forming on the horizon, bringing with it the softness of a breeze that soothes hearts. The connection between you and this person is so intense and palpable that, if only you had the chance to be alone for a moment, you wouldn't hesitate to express your deepest feelings to one another, exploring the depths of a sincere and warm intimacy. This is a powerful and irresistible bond, a mutual attraction so clear and strong that it is impossible to ignore. However, some complex issues arise related to another person who plays a significant role in your life at this moment. This person may not only be linked to a past relationship, but also to a connection that is still evolving in the present. They might even be currently involved with someone else. These intricate issues, intertwined with the life of another person, are a crucial part of the learning process that this individual has brought into your path and the development of your joint journey. Along the way, a less mature person crossed this individual's path, serving as an unexpected catalyst for valuable lessons on the importance of being kind, attentive, and mature. These are qualities that may have been missing from their life until that moment. This interaction, though challenging, has proven essential for illuminating aspects of their personal growth and refining their understanding of what they truly value in their relationships. At certain times, this person may have given the impression of being superficial, influenced by fleeting friendships and ephemeral connections. However, they have come to realize that this superficiality brought them no benefit, but instead attracted negative energies that deeply disrupted their emotional balance. With this realization, these superficial connections have gradually lost their relevance as they turn more decisively toward their own personal development. Now, they express their appreciation for you in an intense and tangible way. Although the feelings between you may not have been completely balanced in the past, the passion they feel for you has grown and strengthened considerably. Even after facing previous disappointments, they maintain a genuine and deep feeling. They acknowledge that they were led astray by past relationships, both romantic and friendly, which taught them to distance themselves from energies that were clearly harmful to their well-being. However, now they begin to see that you are unlike those people from their past. To them, you have become the anchor of stability and sincerity they so desperately needed. Moved by this recognition, they fervently wish to share their life with you, resolutely distancing themselves from the negative influences that once surrounded them. Currently, they are in a process of purifying their energy, disentangling themselves from individuals and situations that do not positively contribute to their life. These figures may include former friends or past relationships that treated them immaturely and superficially. The closeness between you has become more evident, and it is palpable how this new phase in their life has strengthened the bonds between you. You can feel this change. There is a renewed energy around you. They are more present, more engaged, and more committed to your relationship. This is a moment of great significance in your shared journey, a time when the past is being left behind to make way for a promising future, built on the solid foundation of mutual understanding, respect, and a love that continues to grow day by day. They are decisively leaving behind situations that are no longer beneficial to them, boldly moving toward a future that, although it may cause discomfort to some, is essential for their personal growth. This process of change requires a substantial amount of faith from you, especially because it is evident how much they believe in you. The trust they place in you is profound. They see in you the right person for them, someone with whom they wish to share their life. Your presence has become so significant to them that they would be willing to wait for you, even in an alternate reality, if that were necessary for you to be together. Continue being authentic, prioritizing your well-being and personal growth on your journey. By doing so, you create a path by which they will naturally find a way to draw closer to you, reinforcing the bond that unites you. Additionally, it is essential to recognize the influence that religious factors have on your love life, reflecting your upbringing and spiritual journey. The maturity and understanding you demonstrate regarding these aspects are strengthening the bonds between you, as they now understand and value aspects they previously found challenging. Even if your cultural origins, religious beliefs, or perspectives on various subjects may differ, you are finding common ground, overcoming these differences through mutual empathy and recognition of the deep love that unites you. What truly matters in your relationship are the deeply shared values. It is possible that family members or friends do not fully accept this person or hold reservations about the past mistakes they may have made. These family dynamics, influenced by upbringing and other factors, stand out less for criticism and more for the presence of a powerful energy of forgiveness and learning. As both of you release and heal the wounds of the past, you prepare to experience a deeper and more genuine love in the present. You will reconnect and further strengthen the bond that unites you. This person who may have once seemed careless or misunderstood has now transformed, adopting a gentle, caring, and extremely determined stance to make the relationship work. This change is not merely circumstantial, but fueled by a deep energy that is in harmony with the fulfillment of destiny and divine will. This new phase demonstrates a renewed commitment not only to you but also to the very idea of loving and being loved in a more conscious and responsible way. It is essential, in this process of transformation and reunion, that you also take a moment to observe yourself with attention and care. Look in the mirror and recognize that by caring for yourself and nurturing your own soul, you are effectively removing obstacles from the path of true love. Understand that self-love is the foundation upon which all other loves are built. Regardless of how much you feel this message resonates with you, if anxiety has been a constant in your thoughts and emotions, it becomes essential to incorporate self-care into your daily routine. I encourage you to try new things that excite your spirit, to engage in activities that bring you genuine joy, and to take care of your physical and mental health with the same zeal you would care for a loved one. Explore new horizons, even if it means short trips that can bring new perspectives and unexpected joys. Engage in acts of generosity, for by offering kindness to others, you strengthen your own heart. Nurture your self-love, recognize your worth and work to maintain your inner peace and happiness. These practices are not just ways to maintain your health and well-being, they are revolutionary acts of self-affirmation that allow you to stand as a complete and whole person, ready to give and receive love in abundance. By caring for yourself in this way, you prepare to receive the love you desire and deserve, strengthened and rejuvenated by your own journey of self-care and personal discovery. When true love finally enters your life, you will experience a profound sense of appreciation, as magnificent as you believe your true love deserves to be treated. This experience will be a powerful testimony that self-love is never an investment in vain. Understand that every individual, radiant with kindness and light, is an instrument of divine benevolence, worthy of ascending to the highest form of love. Allow these words to penetrate deeply into your soul, echoing through your being, reaffirming your intrinsic worth and essential dignity. The universe, in its infinite wisdom and compassion, eagerly longs for your blossoming and will continue to guide you toward positive outcomes, regardless of the choices you make along the way. Affirm with conviction and clarity, "I am worthy of love and deserve to be loved." This affirmation is not merely a statement of self-acceptance. It is a powerful act of self-assertion that strengthens your connection with the universe and with the energy of love that permeates all things. To fully internalize this transformative message and receive all the blessings it promises, I invite you to share your reflections in the comments. Do so not only as a record of your experiences, but as a way to open your heart to receiving and giving, contributing to an energetic exchange that enriches both yourself and others. This interaction can serve as a catalyst for more growth, understanding, and fundamentally, more love. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the next messages. We look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy. Stay tuned for the next important message that awaits you in the upcoming video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.